What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Today I'm doing the top 5 subwoofer brands that I seen on the when I was out getting demos or whatnot. Not really saying like the top 5 best or nothing like that, but these are just the top 5 brands that I seen. It's not in a specific order, so don't get all carried away with that. So, cause I know y'all like a certain way, but this ain't that type of deal. So we just going on the different type of brands, and not the different type of brand, but the ones I seen the most. Sometimes it depends on the location I was at, based on what I seen. As far as but it's like certain brands I still seen them like no matter where I went. But before we get into the 5 brands, we're gonna talk about the location. I'm gonna say the location. Of course, when I went to like Arkansas, Oklahoma, down in the Texas area, Missouri, places like that, you'll get your Diddy Audio, what else? Audio Ace, because it's kind of like, I guess they're over in that area, so you'll see a lot of those type of brands. So I don't know, it's like a few more different brands or whatnot that they had over there that I seen more than I would when I go like all the way on the East Coast or somewhere like that. So, but let's go ahead and get to. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe and share the videos. Let's go ahead and get the likes up and whatnot and the followers. So let me see what I got. Number 1, like I said, this ain't no certain order, so don't get carried away. Sundown Audio. I seen Sundown Audio at almost every show that I went to. So I guess it's kind of been around for so long. A lot of these brands been around a long time, so it ain't really about how long it's been around, but I guess some of the stuff is more popular in certain areas or whatnot. And so like I say, Sundown Audio, we've seen a bunch of Sundown Audio at a bunch of the shows. So next up we got Resilient Sounds. We see a lot of that. They got a pretty big team too, so it's a lot of the team members I always see with it. Not only the team members, but the team is so big you never know who's on the team. So, but a bunch of the Resilient Sounds, like we first started doing this, we've seen a lot of those at the shows, and they kind of consistent with it. You see a lot of Resilient Sound Platinums, like the Platinum series subs they have. I don't know if they got any new ones out yet, but I know they got a V2 Gold, I think, coming out. But anyway, it's a lot of new subs coming out. That'll be another video, but I ain't gonna drag y'all that too long. I know y'all got things to do. So we got Def Bunch. When I say Def Bunch, I mean Def Bunch, Avatar, all of those. Well, when we went to Arkansas, we seen a lot of Def Bunch there as well. Well, just spread it out, man. A lot of Def Bunch bills, so those are plentiful or whatnot. I think the most I've seen out of all of them probably was more Sundown Audio bills, but we're gonna keep on going. We ain't gonna hold y'all. Crossfire Audio, see a lot of that as well. Of course, when I went over to Arkansas, see a lot of Crossfire Audio. I think they're based, I don't know where they're based at. I don't know why I want to say Texas or somewhere, but I might not be right. But I seen a lot of those builds in that area there. But of course, it's a nationwide thing. But I'm just saying from the places that I went to where I seen it the most. And but they got a good presence or whatnot too as well. But like I said, this is based off of my own vision of what I seen. And I'm not saying there's not other brands that wasn't around, but I didn't see it as much as others, is what I'm saying. Like I say, I ain't getting every build everywhere sometimes, but of course I got a lot of pictures up and stuff like this, so you can go off of that if you want to. But okay, we got the Crossfire Audio out the way. Scar Audio. Of course, y'all know about Scar Audio. Some people like it, some people don't. But there's neither here nor there. That's a battle that it's not for me. But it's a speaker, it's a subwoofer. It does what it does, and it's plentiful. You will see that everywhere. Whether we're talking about the subwoofers right now, so we're not gonna get off into the rest of it because I almost did just then. But like I said, a lot of Scar Audio builds. It's affordable for sure. Every sub line usually has an affordable sub, so that ain't really the case. So Scar Audio. But y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and we're gonna go into some more different, you know, top 5 deals from what I saw over the years, over this year rather, let's say. So the year's almost up. We're gonna try to get this thing on out before New Year's, and hopefully y'all can see it by the night of tomorrow. But be sure to like, subscribe, share the videos, and I'm gonna see y'all back on the next.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.